Well, guess who it is again? Hey, it's your buddy Dave. What's up? As you can tell, COVID has not been very good for this old frame here, but that's okay. I need a haircut. Today's job is, well, it's a shit job, literally. We just gotta go ahead and put in a new toilet. I almost said camera, WTF. So, first thing you want to do, see that valve down there? That's your water supply. You're just gonna go ahead and shut that off for the sake of expediency. If I were there, did none of that. So, and you want to have this here plunger nearby, because, well, when you drain a tank, you know what you want to do is you want to go ahead and flush the toilet. As you can see, there's no water in there. WTF? It's not flushing. No, I'm just kidding. I already did that part. Anyway, you want to drain the water as much as you can, but the reason for the plunger is this. Ooh, this toilet is dirty. I better not show you that. Somebody done exploded all over it. WTF. That's why we're replacing it. That shit so hard we couldn't clean it. Anyway, I was about to laugh at myself still. But what we want to do is use that plunger on that water and push the water down. So, push water. Push water. Hey, we've given her all she's got. Keep going. Oh, I should use the shotgun plunger. I think I broke it though. Little one had a dookie the one day, and it was so big it done clogged up the 3-inch pipe. I had to use some of them enzymes to clean it out. It sounds like two hippopotamuses having a good time there with WTF. Keep going. Almost there. Alright, well I think that's about all we're going to get out of that one. I think I'm going to have to be real careful when I pick the toilet up and take her out. But I was a big old hoss, so you know. Good Lord. Mama makes good chili, but that's the ass thing of it, literally. Put some water down. They's running out of time because the zookeeper's coming. WTF. Anyway, so we got the water down about as far as she's gonna go, and we're gonna take the lid off. As you can see, I already done drained this. For the most part, I think I'm gonna have to get a couple towels, shove them in there so we just don't lose more water. But anyway, this toilet's about, I don't know, I think this came with the house, and the house is about 15 years old, so it done its duty, and we'd like to thank it for its service. But since I was a big boy, I just got to get me the elongated seat so I fit. No jokes there, just reality, son. Hang on. I'm gonna put the lid over here in the sink. Okay. It says Mansfield. I wonder who that's related to. Or is this just a woman's field? WTF, we got the easy unlock lid. That makes it off real nice. Pick it up. Makes it real nice and easy for cleaning. There we go. Look, it looks like it's looking at you. Gurgle, gurgle, gurgle. Hey, you shut up. Anyway. Set that aside, use the wipes, clearly needed them. So wait now, we're going to stop the film for a minute so that we can get this thing up and out of here. These are, you can use a flathead or a Phillips. They're connected to the plastic deal underneath, okay? He's going to loosen them. He's going to take the cap and the bolts off of there. He's going to disconnect the line so you can use a channel lock or a crescent wrench adjustable or adjustable crescent wrench, whatever way you want to say it. Anyway, we're just gonna be right back. Wells. Okay, so like I said, oh, sorry about the fan noise. I had to keep the fan on so we have some light over the subject, but we'll go ahead and loosen this a little bit. There, now it's nice and loose with the hand. Okay. All right, very good. Now we're gonna take the rest of it out. Hang on now. It's gonna be hard to do with one hand. Should have gotten one of the little ones up here, but I don't know if you all can see this or not. See that one spinning there? Hopefully you can see it. That's what we've taken apart. So let me do that right quick. We'll be right back. Okay, so we went ahead and pulled this off. This is what it looks like, right? Now you see how it's got that little extra piece on there underneath the flange, okay? What that is, friends, Lord, I've done, years ago I changed out a toilet and I used my wrench because I had a new set of socket wrenches and I wanted to use them and I thought I was doing really good. So I tightened her down all the way and cracked the porcelain. Wasn't on this toilet, it was in a different house, but that was a mega WTF moment. So, in a fit of stupidity, yours truly went ahead and got educated. So, since I broke the old one and we had to replace it, I thought, well, I better figure out how to do this. So anyway, this is useful because so you can tighten it by hand, and that there is, you insert the screwdriver, hold it in a position, then you tighten it with your fingers. And that way you don't crack it. Okay, all right, here's the next step. Like I was mentioning, you can see there's still some water in the bowl. Well, we could all go ahead and use a rag, but we're just gonna get some good old-fashioned paper towels and clean that up. Got us a garbage bag to put them in, and then we got our nitrile gloves to wear so our hands don't get dirty. WTF, that's the whole fun thing working, isn't it? Anyway, we're gonna do that. We're just gonna probably gonna take the tank off, I think, or not. Doesn't really matter either way. But we're just gonna we're just gonna get her done. We're just gonna get her done. One other thing I almost forgot to tell you folks. You're gonna want to put something underneath there. You can use a bucket, a paper towel, or something, because when you loosen these bolts, there's gonna be a little bit of water that comes out. You want to make sure that it doesn't get all over your floor. As you can see, that's the reason why we was replacing this, because the looks like the tile's cracked a little bit, but this old girl was leaking, so time to say bye-bye. But one of the other things you don't want to do, dummy, and listen up, because I almost did it. WTF. You know how when you use a paper towel and you get really used to soaking things up and then you wring it out before you throw it in the trash? Don't wring it out here. You're trying to get the water out of there. WTF. All right, I'll be back. Well, so ahead, check it out, y'all. We got the toilet off and there's a bit of that stuff here on the floor. So we're just gonna use some grout cleaning stuff. Hopefully we get her off of there. I recommend not breathing this too much. We're just gonna pour some in there and let her sit for a minute. I thought it was leaking all over the damn place. Get some on there. Okay. There we go. There we go. Everybody in the pool. Probably don't want to get it on too much of stuff. Don't want it to affect too much. We'll let her sit there for a minute. We're just gonna clean it. Whew. That's nasty. All right, y'all, welcome back. Well, hey, check it out. We got the floor clean. The blue stuff done came off. I had to use I guess, let's see. It's called Grout Tees. They do not sponsor this video. I just like using them. It's made by the Floor Guys. Thank you, Floor Guys. And then we used one of them white scrubby pads, you know, that the bald guy advertises. And it worked real good. It got it all up to trim. I mean, it looks like brand new trim. And look at it shiny. Now, I didn't paint this room. This house came this way. I suppose I could paint the wall and take that off, but, well, we's not ready to do that today, so we's not going to worry about it. But that'll be the next project, tackling them done. Just like the video you seen in the bathroom downstairs, these dummies use these porcelain, WTF, you know what they call, that's a towel rod, which I don't know why you put it there anyways. You gotta go 3 feet from the sink there to get a towel. By then your hands are dry anyway, dummies. But, and then they put that in there. Oh, God love you for TP, but holy Lord, that's just D-U-M-B, dumb, you know what I mean? Anyway, this here's toilet made by American Standard. They don't sponsor me neither. I did some research, and this one's called the Titan. And I seen them flush a bunch of golf balls down the drain, so I thought, if you can launch a bunch of golf balls through there, it'll take anything I can put into it. Although it was the little one that clogged the thing up. My boy dropped a turd about the size of it. He would have said submarine, you know what I mean? But anyway, so we're gonna put this thing in. So the first thing we're gonna do is we gotta get to that wax ring. So we're gonna get it on there, real nice. Now, this one says the easy install wax ring kit. There's the bolt, the Johnny bolt. That's good. I like them. And then here's the wax ring, and it's got the collar on it already, so that's a good thing. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it just like this. It's gonna sit down. I don't suppose I need to wear gloves wearing this. I suppose I should, but well, safety first, Davo. Anyway, we're gonna put on our gloves. Give me a sec, and then we'll get right back to it. Okay, y'all, so he's back. We're getting ready to put this our American Standard. That's made in Mexico. Well, at least they's living up to our standards. Thanks for that, fellas. You sure as heck make a nice little bowl. I mean, WTF. Heck of a nice bowl we got going there. So I had to look up some stuff, and well, Lord knows that sometimes you just gotta, I mean, a real man don't use directions, but I'm a better man, so I'm gonna use the directions. It says, put the Johnny bolts in first, then flip your turlet upside down and drop the wax ring down there with the cone facing up. But interesting, some videos say to put the wax ring down in the flames first, but we're gonna follow directions from the manufacturer. Anyway, here's your Johnny bolts. Some of these older bolts came with a divot in there, and they showed you where to cut it, but the new ones don't, because that's just a waste of, well, I mean, that's a waste of time to cut it, I guess. But this is going to go in on in the hole there, and then this little deal is going to sit on top of that. Once you get her in plastic, kind of like the directions show, then we should be good to go. All right, here comes the next step. So first step is, now I'm going to warn you, this happened on that turlet bowl that I put in there, and it cracked. Well, WTF, would you know it? I lost the Johnny bolt down the hole too, so I'm getting real good at making sure I don't do that. Anyway, you see, if you put it in there right, it's got them little flanges on it. So we're gonna put this in here, make sure you don't drop the fitting down the hole. Sorry, that was the floor. Hold on. Oh, now. Oh, this is a YouTube no-no, I know it. I know it. All right. Sorry, kids, I just want to make sure I didn't lose nothing down the hole because I was too busy trying to hold my damn phone. You know, people just get real dumb because they're trying to hold their phone. I seen this lady almost drop her kid for fear she was going to drop her phone. That's a WTF moment. She ought to be shot in the head with the, we'll just say with the paintball gun and leave her be. We don't want to hurt nobody. But we're going to put the other one in. Then we're going to flip that beast upside down. Oh, all in all, y'all, this kit weighs about, pretty close to 100 pounds. But you know, big old hoss here, he can lift up half the size of a, well, I could lift a truck door, that's about it. But anyway, you know, because of this COVID thing, my gym shut down. I ain't been to the gym in a while, so I decided, well, I'm gonna go down in the basement and do me some exercise and all that body weight stuff. Well, this whole heap of something here, that's about 200 and almost 270 pounds. And if you ain't been working out in a while, that's a lot to move around. I was huffing and puffing yesterday, I almost blacked out. It was either too much caffeine or not enough exercise. But anyway, all right, give me a sec. We're gonna get this on here. I'm gonna, oh, you know what? Why don't we do this? I'm gonna set this bolt down. Anybody can see anybody put a bolt on. But we'll go ahead and flip the turlet over and show you how to put that thing on. All right, hang on. I'm gonna set you down real quick. Sorry, that's my finger. We're just gonna go put it on the carpet so it don't scratch the turlet. All right, now since you all got to find and look at my floor and my cleaning utensils. All right, there's the undercarriage of the toilet. So here's the wax ring. It smells something god awful, kind of petroleum like. But we're gonna take the wax paper off the wax ring. See what they did there. Sorry, my room's a bit of a mess. It's laundry day. Hang on now. That's my chin, all three of them. All right, so it says, quote, push it down, get her nice and snug. Look at there. Look at that. Real nice. Looks like somebody done took poop y'all over this thing already. We ain't even got her in the ground yet. So anyway, we're gonna let that sit there. Discard the wax paper because you don't need that no more. And then we'll go ahead, we can put the other Johnny bolt in there. Your hands feel a little, oh, the camera's dirty. That's because it's stuck in under my fat neck. Got her all sweaty. All right. Anyway, you know what we're about to do. We're going to take that, put that there. So we're going to connect A, messy room, B, and make sure you get her on there just right. Otherwise, you're going to be in a heap of trouble. Anyway, I'll be back shortly.